Hey, what's up, YouTube? Haven't done a video in a while. I've been busy with school and work, but I got another leopard gecko. This is my fourth one. It's a female blizzard, and she's really, really pretty. You can see her color really good. A little bit of yellow, but mostly really pale white. And I don't have a name for her yet, but there she is. I got her in a 20-gallon. There's her mealworm dish, and her water's over there in the corner, and her two hides. She's awesome. And then my other three are in this 40-gallon tank, and they're doing really good. I'll make another video later on with them, and I'll take them out and show you them. But they're all getting pretty big. Tank still looks the same. Actually, I got a like a little humid hide cave right there. You can see the water bowl and their mealworm dish and calcium dish in the corner. But they're all doing good. Just a little update. There she is. And I've not yet gotten a gram scale, but I'll be getting that tomorrow. So I'll be doing videos of all my geckos when I weigh them. That's it. Alright, later.